你还记得吗？在过去26000年以来，我们不断的轮回转世，为的是解放这颗名为地球的行星，终结所有的苦难，让圣光回归地球。在转世前，我们约定好一起解放地球。虽然肩负着不同的任务，但却有着相同的使命。没有任何事情能够动摇我们的意志，即便要离开我们深爱的人们。无所畏惧，前往未知的境地。也许早已忘记彼此的模样，但这份连结始终都没有间断过。时间的洪流无法抹灭我们的决心，黑暗无法消除我们内心的光明，因为我们是星际种子，散落在不同世纪，执行不同的任务，有着不同的身份，肩负起传递大爱与光明的使命。传递宇宙的智慧。无论现在的你有着何种身份，是时候回忆起自己的使命与任务，再次的取回自己的力量。
你还记得我吗？
我们不曾忘记过你。
我们是灵魂家人。
现在，让我们彻底终结所有的苦难。我们要的是
自由、
和平、
丰盛、
大爱、疗愈、
幸福。
科学研究证实，集体冥想具有强大的正面效益。冥想期间，众人的意识会在量子场域产生强大共振，因而影响现实社会。诚挚的邀请您参与6月14日、21日、30日的全球冥想活动。6月14日是今年第2次的冥王星和系神星4分相。这个4分相的能量会从而促成更多的揭露，让许多隐藏的真相公诸于世。6月21日的日环食，同时也是夏至的第1天。当天的地球、月球连成一条线，当天的能量会强化我们的想法，有利于创造和谐自由的实相。6月30日，冥王星和木星合相，会让社会大众对金融系统有更强的正面影响力。大家可以在影片下方找到冥想活动时间与详细的介绍。让我们共同创造崭新永恒的和谐未来，让圣光和大爱 回归人间。
So, okay, we're live. And dili mag-start ang atong intro and it's okay. So, hello, Jos. Natin din si Jos. Hello, everybody. Are you on?
Hello. Maayong gabi.
Ready to sleep na ng isa dira. Why?
Good night, Pangging. Good night.
So funny. So, hello, maayong kapiing kaninyong tanan. I am Tina and with VR. So, kinsa man itong mga kauban kagong gabi una.
Hi, I'm Jeannie Rarity.
Wala day ko naka-change ang name. Hello, Ate Jeannie Rarity. Where's the rest of the team? Bubbles. Purple Dino. Naman sa mga
Hi!
Tubag-tubag Purple Dino. Okay lang ba nakaani ko?
Hello!
Ang sa talag ta? I think lag ko,
Siguro.
guys. Wait lang.
Dili man, okay
Wala.
lang man.
It's like everybody is.
Hello, this is Jose from Bolivia.
Hello?
Ngayong gabi
Okay.
I love si Tina.
I think
Kaya
lag.
natuloy pa ko. Ay, my goodness,
Oh.
naka-live man dahil. Ano, bali.
True.
Kada ina, nakalimot ko mo. Lagi na ba nakalimot? Hello, guys. Good evening.
With my everything. Because
Good girl.
hello, everybody. So, who's
Hello.
watching? Hello, Anna. Anna is
Me?
watching sa live. And, nagahangid mo, guys. Ako ang naghang
Yes,
ka mo.
Ikaw ko
nag-delay.
nagahang. Dili kami.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Change ako pangalan.
Your video is lost while all of us are here. Charot. Ayun.
Ayun. Kabalo na ako mag-change. Patay lang.
Hello?
Hello.
I'm lagged. Wait lang dito.
Tanawa ko ang name Pangging. Pansin na pod.
Joe Spoon.
Yes, unstable ang aking internet connection.
Thank you for
That is
changing my
possible.
name,
Okay.
Tina.
Pwede ma-change si Tina ang ano?
Yeah, she changed my name.
Asa naman si Jenny?
Na-post
Jenny
it sa-
Rarity.
Hello, everybody. Okay, makadahog.
Hi, Jose. I miss you. Ang libak na
Charot!
to, Jose.
Ay, nibalik naman si Tina. Ay, Jai, mag-behave ta, Jai. Kaya naka-live mo dito sa Facebook, no?
Where is I? I cannot hear Zai. Where is Zai?
Where
Mar-
is Zai?
She left. She left.
She left, she left. Okay, she's beautiful, she left. So, maayong kapi'i, and I know a lot of you have some mga experience the past few days and weeks. How was your experience? Kumusta ba? Okay lang ba ang buhay?
Emotional. Charot.
Emotionally,
Yes.
here checking up on everybody. How are you? How have you been?
Yeah. Mauna daw si Bubble.
Sige, Bubbles.
Me,
Share.
I'm fine.
Yan.
Si Dindin na si
Because-
Bubbles.
Oh, that's me.
Ay, sorry.
Kuya Jones, I love you.
Love.
Karagid din sa radyo ba?
Me, I'm fine for the past week. Siguro naka-help tawag ni replanting na mo sa diri sa garden. So, aside sa Sonia and being more open to changes. So, I think that's my week.
Wow, that is awesome, Darlene. And
Thanks.
yeah, that's a wonderful win. They have been starting to plant, replanting with the inspiration of Mama Zai. Nawala si Mama Zai.
Yeah.
Si Mama
Mama Zai is
film
back?
Silver. Yeah, kanina tapos she's out again. I think she cannot hear us.
Okay.
It's like that. So,
Sabto na to internet sa Deca, Jai. Ay, sorry,
okay ba ito
sorry.
ganina ihang net?
Oy, ako po, nag-start
Oh,
po ko,
no.
ay, unahon sa nato ang taga-Deca, bi, kay Louie, kay internet. Sige.
Sige, please.
Ay, maulan na gabi sa inyong tanan.
Hello.
Kaninyong tanan. Hello. Frozen food ang taga-Australia sa ko ang screen. Maayong gabi.
Ay, sa Deca, dyan na internet. Okay man diri sa Bolivia.
Ay, sa Deca Nation, di ay ni. Sorry kaayo. Ay, nanawagan ko sa Globe Telecom. Ano mani? Ganong dili mo gana mong wifi. Naka-data rako. Ulan pa John. Ay nako, gabayad me. Charot. Hello, maayong gabi. How are you? What's the question for tonight?
For tonight, our question is, what's your bars story? Would you like that? No. Or
Of course, I like that.
Huy, Zai, pagsanina.
Ay, sorry. Kailangan di ay.
Naka-live ka sa Facebook.
Wala akong boobs. Anyway, yeah. What's your bar story? Okay, magsugod ta kay Jos.
yeah.
Ako, Jun? Dili ba? Actually, dili bar stories. Sorry, akong i-share. About sa planting.
You please
Okay,
go.
although,
Share about the plans.
You know.
okay, although wala ko nakakita atong sa inyong sa inyong katong imuhang sa to, imuhang Zoom kay nag-level up na medyo kasi mong tanom-tanom no. So, last Saturday nagpalit ko og mga for gardening tools, 'di ba? And then kay ano lagi, wala lang, feel lang jud ako. And then last yesterday,
Na-inspire ka sa aloe vera, Jai.
Oo, na-inspire ko sa aloe vera. So, na-pressure pud ko sa aloe vera kay gihatod jud siya sa office.
Uy, no, Zai.
wala ko na pressure ko sa aloe vera, kailangan ako siya itanom kay wa mo gud siya yuta pag deliver sa office. So na plant na ako siya yesterday. Happy ko kay naayos na ko ang gamay na mong garden, pero of course basig next weekend na sa next Sunday na sa another day for gardening.
Another
Diba?
aloe vera to plant.
Ay, pwede.
Actually, ang
And
kapartner
na-realize na ako na apod may snake plants sa balay.
So, ibaligya na nato na, Jai. Magsugod na kag pangibot karon atong i-repot o ibaligya.
Mas daghan sa MTS dai na tingala ko nga
Kita
mahal
ko.
kay aloe vera. Namura na siya og sagbot sa
Daghang
MTS.
photo sa MTS. Daghang photos dito, daghang mga mga house plant dito.
Actually,
so,
oo. Because sa mga nakita na ako na post sa Facebook, na-realize na ako na daghan day kay tanom sa MTS. Okay day kaayo ang garden. Na ay mga rare na plants na mismo na ay mag-PM sa kuan na makita na pwede doon ipangayuon kay gwapo doon siya nga variety na plants. Na-amaze ko. Na-appreciate na ako ang tanom namo.
yes, ngayon ako kung gikan sa MTS na ana sa gawas na mo katong mga photos ako gikan sa second floor. Secret lang.
Kaya pala nakalbo.
Gusto pa ganin ako makuha sensation. Pero secret
Unsa
lang
man na?
gihapon.
Dili ba ta off topic, Tina?
Secret
Okay ra?
gani.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Walay topic.
It's all about what have you been doing. Kobe,
Monster!
Okay, magchika lang man mo. So, hello din kay Ate kay Vanessa and
Aisha.
Aisha was here with us.
Hi, Kay.
Hello.
Oh,
Bini.
Hi.
So, we have,
patulugon sa anak ko kung alaga.
so, si Kay. Kay pala is there. Hello, Kay.
Hi, Kay.
And, saan daw ni mo, Joe, ang snake plant? Or dahil ba ang nag-init?
Ano sa daw?
Ingon ni Hana. Giinitan ang snake plant, ingon ni Hana.
Oo,
Someone
ay sa
saying-
Facebook. Maula gini ba mag-live sa Facebook. Actually, nagmahay ko nga naga-joke ko sa Facebook about atong snake plant. Kay daghan kayo nag-ingon na, ha, putulon jud to nimo. Ha, kana na lang nabi, kadali lang. Basig maupaw to ugma, ina na namong security guard na mo.
Butangig cordon, Joes.
Oo. Tapos i-take note po na ako itong giingon ni Zai. Pabantayan po na ako ang second floor.
Na ako'y gusto ko nito katong mga bougainvillea sa may sa may kanto bar. Lami kay ito pagka-arrange.
Ang mas gwapo Maji Hilom sabi. Ay, sorry, live na. Kada. Mas gwapo ang bougainvillea dito sa may Asian Fusion. Kato, legit dito na nice kaayo. I-check na.
Katong favorite na ako.
Nako, mga kay Jai. Sakpan man tato. Sakpan ng Jose.
Masakpan yun. Mag-ninja moves lang ta, mga kadlaon.
Asay mong ganahan dito, Tin? Natanom?
May blue-gray. Kato ganing cute kayo.
Ay!
Ano sa ganit na?
Katong ano man to, ambot unsa to siya nga tanom pero daghan to siya tilasunon to siya.
Dito siya. Okay lang.
Oo.
Juice.
Oh yes.
Katong murag tree good na nice og flower.
Mao to siya.
Ano to?
Tilason.
Di nga
White?
murag
Ah,
nice
okay.
og flow. Asa dapit tree nga murag
Blue-gray.
nice.
Na?
Oo, katong mura og
Katong acacia dito lalabs. Katong murag bonsai
Ay,
nga
acacia?
acacia.
akasya dito.
Pamilya sa acacia to siya. Oo.
Oo, mo tong gwapo nga bulak pero lisod kay to siya dai no kay taod mga tagak ang mga dahon ug bulak.
Huy, matagak ang mga
Yeah.
iti. Ang akong sakyanan napuno og iti.
Ay, lahi po to dyan. Kanang nalang yung mga birds dito. Mga tagak ang iti.
Hatagan ang iti. So, bitaw on. So, wow. So, I think the general theme for the week has been gardening. Ate Pangging has also started gardening in her place in Brisbane.
Pa-consider to gardening kay
Yes.
Pangging.
Oo,
Ay,
Uy,
sorry,
sige
sorry,
na lang
sorry.
good. Yes na lang
Sorry,
good.
sorry.
Urban gardening man to siya, Jai. Na siya money plant, daghan.
Huy, nagbaktas ko sa park
Ay,
ganina.
agaw sa money
Nakita ko
tree.
sa kahoy.
So, yun ang theme. So, I feel gardening is like unsa na siya, communion gapon with the earth, literally. Communion with the earth, like connecting with the earth. And Darlene and Aisha and Zai has so much to share, and Jose and being on that side. So yun, salamat sa pag-share. And Mami Dot is asking, unsa daw ng bar story? Is it the place where there's lots of drinks? So yeah, because this is a club, so we're gonna talk about bars.
All right. Let's
So
start.
what is bar? Yeah, so how is your bar story? What's your bar story? Because currently right now Access Consciousness is doing a rounds for everybody, asking everybody what's your bar story? How has bars supported you in changing your life, and more important than ever na kailangan gid karon ang bars, something like that. So because there's a lot of planetary alignment ongoing, so it's a wonderful gift to yourself to give bars to yourself if you know how to. So yun. So unsa inyong bar story? And so sige, just for people who are watching, what is bars di ay? So bars, access bars is a body process that it's a 32 points in your head that when it is lightly touched, it releases all the limitations that you have in different areas in your life, like money, creativity, sex, ano pa ba? Control,
Sadness, joy,
peace,
body,
yes, kindness, gratitude,
Sexuality.
yan.
life forms.
Life forms, healing, and a lot of things, a lot of areas in the basta 32 sila tanan, 32 ka points. So effort ta eh.
So 32 points that address health, everything, relationships.
Yeah.
Kato, creativity.
Mm.
Everything that, mga issues na sa life from 0 to now.
Yes. And even previous lifetime.
So amo na, yeah. Yes.
So if
mga programs,
implants, yeah. So we have a lot of we have been implanted since time ano ba? Since
yes.
26,000 years ago, sa bana million, sa bana kakuan, but we have been there's been a lot of
zillion
years that we're trapped in this awesome planet. And we're now liberating. Okay, everybody, we're helping.
We're liberating.
Yes, liberating the humanity. And there's a lot of tools available in the world. So we're not saying bars lang is the only way, but this is the current. Parang maoni siya ang ginagamit that has been effective, and at the same time, in a way, drama-free. Kanang dili siya kaayo, it's light and fun.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe Zaya can share about her bar story, or Ate Pangging, or Joe's, Ate Jiri.
Sige, ako na lang sa... sige, kinsa man.
Jack and Poy.
Mimi, kaya sa na lang ang ato ang Deka internet.
Sige, habang
Okay, so...
correction ni Zaya.
So,
Iran.
I've been practicing access bars for more than a year now, thanks to Tina, who facilitated the access bars class for us. So bars actually changed my whole life. Shut up. So it helped me cope with mga money issues, of course. It also helped me how to view what abundance is, what real abundance is. So it opened up a lot of possibilities to me and to my family, of course. Kasi kami ngayon, 3 na kami naga-bars. So,
Wow.
naga-bars, sanay na kami dito. So, bars change,
Bars and
phobia, depression, anxiety, body pain. Of course, sa body pain, I had bought so many lies about body pains way back. So, bars actually helped me kanang walaon to tanan, like wala, it does not really exist. So I've learned to know more about me as an infinite being, not the madrama girl sa kanto, charot. So yeah, bars changed me a lot. So it also addressed my way of receiving things, the good, the bad, and the ugly. It helped me a lot to lower down my barriers, which was kind of murag makakurat. And yeah, so if you want to have your bars run, just call us.
Yeah.
Nasa ba ko? Okay.
Yes, makita kayo ka.
Sabi na ako sikong check kayo. Wala na day ko.
No, you're still there. You're still there.
Yes.
And thank you for that share, Zai. I have been witness to how you have transformed from day 1 to day and amboton sa natang day karon.
Yes.
But it has
Basta.
been yeah, mama speechless ang gid ko pag bars na. And si Hannah,
True.
blooming daw ko, charot. Bars lang yan. Nag-self bars ko sa ko. So I did self bars.
Ilod may han, oy, grabe pug ka, oy. Naligo, jud baya ko karon. Jud may apilon, tina lang. Sabi po.
Diba? Ako daw, eh. So, pero di bitaw, bars, yeah, actually, kung naamay mga kanang kuan, mao gid ni ang ako ang pinaka-favorite because there's no conversation involved. You know, if you're going through something, you can just ask someone to run his or her bars and it will dissipate all those mga issues or your current mga mga beliefs, no? Na bitaw no, unsa bitaw kung gina-worry. So, yeah, it helps us go back to zero as well. So, maybe Ate Pangging has something to share about bars and her experience.
Hello. Mga Loverty, I'm so inggit. You are on your like wearing sleeveless there and Zai is wearing her tube. Medyo nag-drop among weather today so medyo bugnaw. All right, so with my bar story, the last bar that I received that was from UTIN last year in Sydney.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hindi ko mag-bars all over the world. Charot lang.
Yes.
Kasi nga akong recipient sa Sydney. Napod ko yung recipient sa Mexico, si Miss Perla. So, lingaw. Diba?
Bar girl all over the world.
Yes. Mga goals. Ikaw dira mag-bar girl na pud ka. Sige.
Yeah, soon I'm planning to have my class na. So actually I had lessons supposedly pero because of COVID na cancel sa. So hopefully for the coming weeks or months I can attend my first bars class. So with my story with bars, since I am alone, so I run my bars. I just like go within myself and sometimes there are things na it didn't turn out well, so you feel sad or whatsoever. You just had the low moods. So yeah, that's what I do. I just sit down. I do sunya. I just run my bars as well. So whatever works for me at the time, so I do it. So all these tools are really working. So I'm grateful for that.
Wow.
Yep.
So tama no, let's not limit our stories to just bars. Whatever it is that tools that you have been using that has been effective, maybe a lot of people are wondering what keeps us up until now na kanang joyful. And of course, we're not saying our lives have been joyful since day one. Kanang naagapan mga challenges. Okay, we still have challenges. It's just that of course we don't go to Facebook and and rant about it. We go inside, we go back to ourselves, just what Ate Pangging said na yeah, we just stay silent. So pag manghilom gani may ka na makalit, wala lagi sila activity mo na yung mga gipang agian, remote. So and yeah, the eclipse has been so much help, so much help, and it's just that we don't stay stuck for, like me personally, I don't stay stuck for too long. Although lami good ka nang lami man mo.
Dili.
Isa jud.
Na-agree ako.
Nagid koy ka ng ano.
Mahal ka namin, Tina. Mahal ka namin, Dorloy.
Ay, pero we've come a long way. We don't stay stuck for like karon mga hours na lang. Sa una ako days.
Yeah, Darlene is like 2
days
days
ko
siguro
tayo.
sa una, 3
But
days.
now because
Dili
sa
niya.
tools,
Also,
Yeah,
kay
but
sa tulo ka bulan na sige uban no adlaw-adlaw. Kapoy kaya tayo yung magtiis, no?
Yeah, actually, diba, there's a lot of conflict ongoing right now daw for a lot of households kasi you've been stuck in one home and you
That's
are
nice,
forced
Lord.
to face you're
Pasuot ni
forced to
Maggie.
face relationship. Oh, that is so cute. That is so unicorn crab. So
Pinasuot ni Maggie.
kaya nga. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on for each of us individually, and it's just that we have our own, because we've gone way back for many years na tanag-uban and all of that, and we know all the tools. And yeah, sometimes it's not in the conversation, it's you and you ang magstorya, ang mag-deal with it. And for me, that has been one of the most effective. And then when I share about it, I'm over and done with it. So yun, that has been one of our journeys during the week and during the whole, pandemic. And yeah, so next we have Jose, maybe, or Darlene, who wants to go next? Jose,
Joe
still
Spoon.
there?
Mrs. Spoon.
Spoon.
Nag-ayos pa sa hair niya.
Sige, si Tita Jeannie na lang muna.
Hala ka.
We are
Ako
ready.
na pala. You ready?
Yes, ready.
Tita Jeannie.
We are ready to listen.
Wala mo
what's
na akong
your,
video kasi yung bata dito kailangan pang mag-ek-ek. Oh, my bar story. It was a Saturday night tour.
No, it's daycare.
Oh, may nag-react.
I love that.
It's my story, okay? You just draw there, okay?
I thought you were talking about me.
Cute.
That was a story. I was
Yes,
reading
it's
the
my. Oh
story.
yeah, you draw. Keep on drawing there, okay? So, like we act bars, like really learning it. I didn't know what the effect was. I can figure it out before because monthly naman Mystic Angels have bet before. So it's like an amalgamation of all the tools of all our Mystic Angels. So basta I know that the immediate effect of that to me was I am more calm because when I started that 2018, if I remember correctly, or 2019, I was going through a lot of personal, emotional issues at that time that I always look forward to taking a session there at DXN because it calms me down. It makes me clear, think clearly rather, and then every month kasi parang I was taking each month that time, 1 month at a time kasi I'm overwhelmed emotionally. So I know that there is a really positive calming effect. So nung sinabi ni Shifu Tina Light Sparkle, I was really excited and I took talaga the of learning it as well. Kasi, Junior Rarity likes to learn a lot. Char. And then when I attended the course, amazing siya. Tapos, kasi you get to understand the bar points, and then at the same time kasi application din ang course, so nag-run 4 times. So you could just imagine your bars being run 4 times at that time. So my mind was really clear, and then at that time I think there is an ongoing issue going on in a certain group, and then I was so surprised how I handled it at that time because my mind was so clear after receiving and running bars at that time, that the things that we learn in ASIM, all the stories, the ego, that we allow love, and we are just going back to compassion. Nangyari siya after like my bars. Ang dami kong aha nun. Tapos flinad ko yung chat. I mean like the chat with Shifu at that time, because there are things that you are studying siguro or learning in ASIM, for example, or other stuff. And then meron lang certain moment that you would just have an aha, and then that particular lesson will be ingrained sa'yo. And that happened to me when my full bars kasi talaga siya was run on me. Was hang see, nawala ako itong batang to talaga.
Okay.
Was run on
Uniform
me.
is
So
there.
amazing ang effect niya, because it was just consistent with the ones I've been receiving monthly, and then at that time na whole day nag-bars pa gyud. So the effect is really like resetting. It's really right. It's just resetting your hard drive as a person, and then you are starting anew, and you're open to possibilities. Really, if I can describe talaga yung nangyari sa akin nung when I took the course and have 4 times nag-run ang bars, was nag-clear ang mind talaga, na para siyang, alam mo yung cloudy skies? Ay, cloudy. Oo, tapos biglang naging blue skies na ang nakita mo. And then, I'm just receptive of other people's opinion without any other story. Yun lang. So, I'm very allowing at that time, at that day. So, saan na lang, no? Kung every day, because I wasn't able to practice it every day na after that. So, I know it will really benefit a lot of people, especially kung regular yun siya.
Yeah.
That's it.
So thank you for that share, Jenny. I was witness to what you have been going through, and yeah, tama gyud na there are times no that we take courses because we know we just have to be there. Sometimes we don't understand why we took that, but then it was right at that moment. No, na yun pala yung isa sa mga last natin na mga live na mga pagkikita-kita, no, that was February 29 when we had our first bars class here in Davao City. And there we have also a group there, we have a team nakauban nato si Hannah and Fanny, who has been running bars daily. So how did they get so lucky?
So lucky.
It's so wonderful to have, and yeah, so happy to see new faces. Oh my God, guys, new faces jumping in. Happy Bean and Ate Ivy. So, yon, thank you so much for the share. So we're just here sharing what tools you have been using for the past months that have helped you in that have helped you. It's okay. So yon. So sinong next? Thank you to Jenny for the share. Who's next? Who's up next? What tools have you been using So currently, just to summarize the shares, for majority of us, we have shared that bars have been a wonderful support. And up next is Sunia. So yeah, how about you? What's your favorite tool for since the past few months? What tools have you been using? So who would like to share next? Ay, tama, tama. Tama pala, there's an Ikipono pala pag Mondays. Yeah, so we made it earlier this time kay mas sleepy naman mi. Uy, dili na din ni kako ano midnight. Gwapo lang gid ang term nga midnight unicorn guys, pero sige lang midnight naman ron sa Australia.
Yeah.
So technically we're still midnight unicorn club guys. So yeah. Yeah, so who would like to go next? Any shares? From the comments, we have Mami Dot who shared that her first one of her bars experience was that a dark entity was released from me in that session. And from then on up to now, I've experienced so much freedom from unnecessary mind-body programming. Yeah, so that's one of the effect that you can get from having your bars run.
Wow.
Actually release
How does it get any better than that?
and what else is possible. So
Yes.
for all of these words that we have been saying, you can just research accessconsciousness.com. So we're not, spouting things that doesn't have any backing, walang backing. So we always have resources for what we are saying, what we are sharing to you. Yeah. So meron din siyang capacity, the bar session has a capacity to release entities. So there are times that you have like for example mga addictions are actually actually merong scientific explanation for addiction, like as your cell is craving for this and that kasi nasanay siya and everything. But there's also entities behind your addiction. So even though consciously you want to take away that addiction, but there are certain entities who gets attracted to that form of addiction. But we won't get into that. Wala naman akong addiction, so I don't have any addiction entity stories. Yeah. So who's up next? Sinong gusto mag-share? How about Ate Ayi? What tools have you been using that has been working for you? If you'd like to share to the group and to all the people who will be watching us on Facebook and those who will watch the replay if they watch the replay. Ate Ayi? Yes, Ate Ayi, tools
Hi.
that we use.
So dili necessarily nga bars, wala pa man ko
No,
pamahal.
not necessarily bars. Just one of the tools that we use on bars.
Especially now sa
Yes.
lockdown, no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So for me, because I'm also an energy healer, so I'm using our modality, pranic healing, and meditation on twin hearts. It's also parang sunya, 'di ba? So activating your two heart centers, the heart chakra, which is the center for your love for family, for special, ano yun, those special to you, and then your crown chakra, which is the center for divine love, or those you don't know, or other beings on Mother Earth. And then because when we meditate, I'm not sure if somebody already mentioned this, but when we're meditating, we're also, because we're raising our frequency, we're creating a natural shield around us so that um, we cannot be affected by, for example, there's a prevalent energy of um, like negative energies like depression, anxiety, given the situation. But when we're consciously raising our frequencies every day, we don't necessarily have to also be drowned in that negative energy na pervasive around us. And then even sa physical level, we can also be protected from all these viruses, no? Practically speaking, yung immune system natin is boosted when we're on the higher frequencies. And kasama dyan yung pag-intake, no? Pag-choose ng mga iniinom natin, kinakain natin na higher frequency din lahat. Alam mo yan, sila Tina ang magaling mag-share about that with their DXN stuff. What else? Yung ritual of forgiveness, that
Yeah,
also
what
worked
else?
for
What have
me.
you?
Ritual of forgiveness
Mm.
towards myself and towards other people, so that we'll always be able to clear all those mga negative patterns, limiting beliefs, and then yung let go of the past to always keep moving forward towards our life purpose and goals. And then and then joining yung get your happy on, yung mga Zoom calls ni Tina ng Fox Tribe ng Sisterhood of the Rose. So I've been resonating with yung access tools recently, so looking forward to experiencing that too. Pero as of now, yung mga questions, yun yung mga ginagamit ko din daily. Yon, that's it siguro for me. Baka may maalala pa ako later, share ko lang. Thank you.
Sige. Wow, lovely share and lovely tools that were added. So awesome gid kaayo ang ato ang mga journey and the tools that we have encountered, they are not accidents, and there's not one tool that is better than the others. It's just what works for you and what could work for others. And yeah, it may work, a tool may work for others and it may not work for some people. So depende lang, and tools have their own time, their own timing also. So yeah, thank you for that input, Ate Ai, and for adding those different kinds of meditation. So maybe we have si Vanessa Bane Villanueva. So we have two Vanessa now. Next si Happy Bean. If maybe Bane would like to share kung unsa imong tools, anong tools na
Yes.
ginagamit mo? Yeah.
Hi, good
Na
evening.
Hello.
So, yes, thank you di ay sa opportunity, Annie. Char. So, ang akong ginagamit nga tool is Sunya. So, ever since na gi-introduce siya ni Tita Neng. So, kato nga time is dili pa kayo siya, but after kay Dr. Lim, dito na siya nagtuloy-tuloy. So, at first kasi is, dagan po kong mga dramas, and dali ra ko ma-irritate. No, sige gamay lang nga bagay. So, doing Sunya, pag imo siyang gina-practice per me, ma-lessen siya, so ma-back to zero siya. So, right now, every day gina-practice siya. So, thank you, Aning, Fox Tribe. Salamat kay So, and then dagan siya natabang sa ako when it comes to mga realization pod. So, halos nawala na tong mga negative side. So, pag ako na lang mag-isa, mauna-unaan ako nga ang happy moments sa family, sa friends, and layo ko. So, kato siya. And then sa mga business partners po, so nakatabang po siya na ma-encourage na ko sila. So, kaganina lang na nainidual sa kayo siya gina-practice dun niya ang sunya niya. Lami daw sa feeling. So, para sa ako, na happy ko. Maski wala pa kayo na-introduce sa ila. So, sa pamaagi lang sa mga live sa Fox Tribe, so nakapanood sila. So, yun po. So, I'm looking forward po nga makakuhaan ko sa access bars. Thank you.
Yay. Pag makaadto na mi dira sa Manila, we will do bars class with you all. Because there's a lot of you in Manila right now. Yeah. Soon,
Yes.
soon, we are allowed to travel. Now we can do a bars class for you. Yeah, and actually, Sunya is really wonderful. Okay, number one, it's free and easy to use. So it's like, we have a variety of tools that you can choose. Some of them are free. Some, have prices or costs. Some can be gifted. And yeah, it's up to you how much are you willing to receive, whether you're willing to receive from the free stuff and willing to do the work. It's just that ang sunya is something that you really need to do to work on yourself. But this is something that we mix with, like, we incorporate in our practice na, we do sunya because sunya keeps us grounded in a sense that it keeps us, connected and to be able to really do our duty. Like, you're meditating, but at the same time, you have this sense of, Dr. Lim always reminds us that we have to go back to the world and contribute to the world and not just, do nothing and just keep contributing. And the same way with Access Bars, it always asks us to, what can you contribute to the world? What gift can you be? Or diba? What gift will you be to the world? And all of us are gifts to the world. It's just that we fall in love with so much of our, sometimes lamig mag-drama, some lamig stay and do nothing and let other people take the blame and, other people are responsible for our lives. But actually, we can create more if we commit to ourselves and we choose to commit to ourselves. And to this evening, what we're doing is actually acknowledging the tools that we have been using, because it's one of the most important factor to have more miracles and magic in our life is to acknowledge what miracles you have experienced, what have been ano mga changes na nangyayari sa life ninyo. Because if we don't acknowledge, there's a tendency that we can lose it. But if we keep acknowledging as it shows up, like, acknowledge the things, good or bad, we're not just acknowledging the good things, but we're acknowledging, yeah, this happened to me. I get into dramas and all of that stuff. Masaya ma-affect pa sa mga planetary chuvanes. But for now, medyo easier na. Ako yung kabalugin sa tepangging ani, ang 2018 Venus retrograde was my crazy year, and she was a witness to this, and her lips are sealed. And that was basta it's a it's a crazy moment for me, but at the same time it was just quick. It was quick in the blink of an eye. Give up gid nako ang dili mo siya give up kanang dili ko kana, I'm not normal. So mao na siya. So that's the story. That's my story. Venus retrograde gyud ang ako ang best friend, BFF. Mao na karon kay sige ko gulat ba? Unsa man Venus retrograde na pa ba kay kuan? So wala na dai. Nahurot na siguro. Wala man ko wala may nagchuba-chuba sa ako. So wala. Nothing. So yeah, Venus retrograde free. Nahuman ang ako ang kuan sa Venus retrograde. Sige na nagkatawa sa tepangging shiwas. Kay naagid siya ana nagkuan gid ko ana ilak-hilak. Charot. Pero murag pag baka remember ko ana mura ko si Dr. Dana talk and pod. So ano lang siya.
Laglagan na ba to? Laglagan
na. Wag na guys, wag na.
Live. Parang si Dr. Day nagiluod tapos mag-pock and pon.
Diba? Si Dr. Day.
Kabalo sa story, guys? You want to hear the story?
Yes. My God, tapos naka-live.
Pipe nag-realize mo ka normal. Yes, katong last na Venus retrograde na 2018 man to, no? Basta 2018 to. So after ato kay nagsunod-sunod na ako ang mga kanang wala na dili na gyud ko, wala. Charot. Like katawag din sa tepangging ay. So yan. So it's really fun to experience that. Fun ba daw? So yun. So that was our experience. So Wow, quarantine lang kay Ate Ai. So fresh. Venus talaga. Kasi right now, there's 6 planets in retrograde today. Enjoy the 6 planets in retrograde. So that's why. So, but if you have been practicing self-mastery, you can, move through it with ease. Not easy. It's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be with ease. Okay, so if you have been doing the self-mastery work, but for some people who haven't been doing their work and homework in the past, so medyo mauntol-untol gid ta sa ato mga bangka so okay lang na kapit lang hindi naman tayo mamamatay sa na ito it's just for us to learn more about ourselves and to know that so I think ang wala pa nag-share si Darlene and Happy Bean. So Darlene, maybe.
Oh, me.
Yes.
Nag-share ako. Okay, sige.
Nag-share na ba ka?
Sige lang. For tools, di ba? Tools? Still on tools? Yeah, for me, both Sunya and Bars has helped me with everything, with dealing with creativity, and also ako ang mga lies and drama sa self. Like, kailangan perfect before i-show imong stuff. So, dugay kay ko, naga-procrastinate ko, and Sunya has helped me get rid of attachments to the results, and also choosing Bars has helped me to realize that there is great power in choosing myself and not walk on eggshells every time. So that's my tools for the past year. Yeah. And how did I get so lucky? Ako ang family is so supportive. My God. Ako witness ko sa ako ang self na ako ang kanang episodes. So mga na siya. Yeah, it's spoken.
Thank you for that share, Darlai. So actually, witness to our episodes. So I'd like to add on to that. If you are doing Sunya, it's you observing yourself and your reactions. Actually, kanang murag, hala, wait lang, ano ko nasukuan? Murag, you catch yourself. You get to be more aware of how you react and respond, and you begin from that awareness. You begin to shift. Because if there's no awareness to how you have been reacting, like it's always been about other people, like everybody is to blame except, everybody is a problem except you. And this is one thing that I learned also in Ho'oponopono. Ang ginaas lang yun ni Hewlin, have you ever noticed that every time that you have a problem, you're always there? So meaning, isang problema. Diba? So, talaga is very funny. And like when you attend his workshop or his talk, he's very straightforward. And like for example, when you tell him, Hewlin naman pala is one of the tools that we use that is free for all is Ho'oponopono. Okay. Yes. Ho'oponopono is 4 phrase that you can use and incorporate in you, even though wala pa ka nakapilog mga workshops for that, and it's free and available. It's a ancient Hawaiian technique, and it has a lot of backing to it also. So all of the practices are either Access Bars is the newest one, and then these two, Ho'oponopono and Sunya, are ancient ones. So so we're mixing all these tools. Because there's always a tool for every every experience. So yun, Ho'oponopono is I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. So It's about taking responsibility. So in Ho'oponopono is you acknowledge. Again, it's also again acknowledging. Acknowledgement receipt is very important, especially on emails. Hi, I acknowledge, noted, copy. Makasukan yun ko ana, nakasukan ko ana, guys. Kaya wala ko nag-acknowledge. O naka-copy yung email. Okay, I read it and I don't acknowledge. But yeah, the universe also wants acknowledgements in a sense that
Kanang abi nimog nag-reply na katintas wa pa di ay sa imo lang di ay
mga
itong
ano,
mind.
no? So, acknowledge, taking responsibility. True. So, mo na siya, i-acknowledge mo, you take responsibility for the things that are going on in your life. Because, yeah, if we don't take responsibility, how can you change it? Diba? But in Access Tool, na pud tayo mo gawas na, because there are things that cannot be cleared by Ho'oponopono also. So then you ask yourself, who does this belong to? Because you cannot change what is not yours. So that's why important talaga to have all these tools. So that you become aware of what tool, to generate more awareness, and you know what tools to use. So Ate Agi also mentioned additional tools. Can you share it to us? Yung sa chat na giano mo, Ate Agi.
Okay. You mentioned yung taking responsibility, tapos we also have practice yung daily what we call the inner reflection and firm resolution. So it's also another form of clearing lang. So you review what you've done during the day, and then those things na you hope you wish you've done differently, just erase it, and then you like parang you're watching a movie and then you just imagine yourself doing what you would have done better. So parang reframing, reprogramming, ganun. And I forgot to mention pala yung ang ano yung tawag doon, yung clearing statement. It also helped me kahit yung pod and poc lang maalala ko minsan kasi
Yes,
mahaba siya.
clearingstatement.com.
Oo. So ano siya, mabilis makapag-shift ng energy, mag-clear ng ng whatever it is na kailangang i-clear. Then more meditations, and there's a support group also na I've been joining, helping the participants to yun din take responsibility, parang ano tawag diyan, mag-take stock, yung parang i-review, inventory what the things that happened in our lives, and then what our role there was, and then yung basta madami siyang steps. So it also helps to have a support group and to have a specific process to help maintain emotional wellness. So yun para for especially now. Thank you.
So nice. At least actually there's a lot of tools available. So if you feel very like you feel helpless or what, so you can just message any one of us, any one of us here na nasa Facebook Live, and you can message Fox Tribe for the tools. If you want to join our group calls and our meditations, group chats, we are there. So we are also opening our doors for all of you. That's why we're having this call, the Midnight Unicorn Club. This is, just an informal way to talk about how, to talk about life and what tools have we been using. Kasi most of our sessions, like Sunya Sundays, it's all about, informative, like how you can use Sunya in this and that. But this one is gonna be, gonna be about anything and everything. And actually, this is a space where you can also ask questions and ask all the people or all the ones in the club right now. You can ask us questions. So currently, wala pa namang mga questions na binibigay sa atin. So kaya tayo na lang muna gumagawa ng topic. So next, before we end, it's almost an hour. I think it's an hour already that we have been running. Saan nagadagan dito, that our program has been running. So next we have Happy Bee. Happy Bee. You want to hear from
mag-skip na sa ako.
Para man na sa halo-halo, Bean.
Abit
Let's
mo
see.
maskip ka, no?
Charot lang. Okay. Daghan siya tools actually, pero ang kanang regular na ako na gina-practice is number 1, sunya. Tapos, ganahan man gud ko. Let me just add a little about sunya, no? Kaya na, kung ako friends nga gi-invite diri sa MUC sa Facebook Live, ambot lang naminaw sila. So, ang sunya man good is dili siya tied to any religious organization. So, you can, maski unsa imuhang religious belief or kanang spiritual belief, you can do this, right? Tapos, katong mga clearing statements, lately, nag-ano ko kanang katong who does this belong to, kay nakoy ka ng mga pain, usahay nga ma-feel sa akong body. So, inaalagaan ako akong self. So, who does this belong to? Charot.
Diba?
Tapos, kanang, ano pa ganito? Naga-listen ko kay Dr. Dane, kay ganahan ko sa iyahang energy man god kanang murag walay judgment, tapos murag na-encourage pud ko ba para sa ani karon kanang mag-share. Sa una dili jud ko maghangyo gyud ko nga kanang please lang. Wala ko apil lang. It's okay. Mag-ampo jud ko tawa na please kanang. Pero karon kay kanang sige lang, okay lang kung unsa tong imuhang gusto i-share lang kay dili man siya madawat sa tanan, at least na ay maski isa ka tao siguro nga makadawat or maka-learn from it. So, mo to siya. Ay, pwede ko mag-greet. Mag-greet.
Oh, yes, of course.
Greet. Nandun siya sa Facebook Live akong sugar bata.
Ay, sige lang.
Hello. Mo lang to. Salamat.
Walay, I love you, I miss you, Dira.
Ano pa, I love you, Jan?
Na.
I love you. Kasama.
Sige lang, good. Malingaw ba yung ano. So, thank you so much for the share, Happy Bean. You know, you're a very happy bean. And I've seen also your challenges the past years. And I've seen how you are right now. And it's all because of you. It's all because of you, you know. We were just there, you know, kasi if you know us personally, we really don't kanang as much as possible, we just support you, you know, and like from behind. But at the end of the day, it's gonna be you working on yourself. And I've seen how Happy Bean has been working so much on herself, and I'd like to acknowledge that, you know, kanang malingaw kay ko sa imuhang kanang karon energy and how you have been showing up. And yeah, I just recently read this passage from Money Isn't the Problem, You Are. You know, it's like about showing up for the world. There's a page on that. I don't know. Nakalimot ko unsa siya nga page. Pero about you showing up in the world. Like, if you want to receive more, show up. Like, you also show up. Because if you don't show up, wala pod kay ma-receive. And so, this is one way of showing up. Being on Facebook, kahit we see there's not a lot of people watching us right now. But they can watch the replays. You know, and we're here talking to 7 million people. And as soon as you free yourself, also, you're freeing 2,500 people up to 250,000 people. So for example,
up to Godzillion people.
Yeah. So there's not much limit. Ambot lang ganahan lang kay sila 250 nga word number. But yeah, it's just a term that they say that if you free yourself, if you do sunya, you're also affecting a lot of people around you. So daghan kang na-affect na mga tao. So even if you feel like it's just you doing the work, you're already a big contribution to the earth, to the planet Earth. You know, your happiness and
Yes.
imuhang yeah, whenever you do the inner work. So we don't, you know, parang ayaw ninyo dili nato ibelita lang ato ang practice personally, because even if you don't see the people that gets change around us, we're actually affecting the field and force field.
Yeah.
So the more that you strengthen your force field, the more influence you give out to the world. So we're just, you know, making ourselves more open right now. And
Yes. Tapos i-add ko lang yung kay Brenda
Yes.
Watt. You just have to say yes and show up. That's it.
True. And thank you for taking this call. I know it takes, like, kung ako in the past, I also wouldn't lang, ano mo kung mag-live, ano, good way. Pero, thank you, beautiful people and your brave souls, you know, that you're willing to show up for the world this time and to share your story, you know, not stories of, we're not sharing our stories of how sad we are, but stories of being happy, because a lot of people will make you wrong for being different, for being happy at this time. Like, it's more normal to be if you're so, but your contribution. And, it's not, you know, it overtakes love actually. So, but kuan ko mag-voice.
Nawawala si Tina. So,
Nag-ano
kato
siguro
siya,
connection.
reconnect lang siya. Ingon siguro si Zoom na
Lagi si Vivi.
11:01 na mga Jai, 11:01 na.
Maggie!
So, amot thank you so much, Miss Teen Sparkle. Isa to yung name? Sparkle.
Na-lowbat siguro siya.
Tina Light Sparkle.
Tina Light Sparkle.
Yes.
So,
Where
habang
are
wala
you now?
pa si Tina,
Where?
habang wala pa si Tina, mag-plug lang ko.
Nag-transform.
Sige, ang mga baligya din ha, please.
Yes,
Go,
please
Zai.
support Mystic Angels Hippie Market on Instagram and Facebook. Also, we are going to have a
back.
talk. Unsa man ganing kay Mary Ross? Yes, we are going to have a seminar or Zoom Skimberloo with Mr. Coach Ross Yuson, Rising Above the New Norms and Creating a Crisis-Proof Business. Yes. Yuson, right?
Yes.
That will be on Wednesday, 7 p.m., June 24th. Please message Tina or Darlene or ako for the link if you want to join. Tomorrow man ang last day of registration din na.
Yes, tomorrow ato ang last day of registration.
She's back!
I'm back from the outer space. You know, it's like wala lang ko bigla and I can hear everybody. I'm back.
From outer
But
space.
your friend is there, though.
I know.
Your friend is
So
there.
yes,
Yeah, thank
that
you
will
for
be
that
on
invite.
Wednesday.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Yes,
Also, we are going to have another mass meditation on June 30th at 1:48 p.m. for the Jupiter-Pluto conjunction. That is the second stargate for the Age of Aquarius activation. So please join us and follow Mystic Angels and subscribe for more updates for the link.
Yes.
And
there's
a
also
pre-meditation.
Tea Time Thursday ni
Isa to?
Tea Time Thursday.
Yes, and Yes, we're going to have a tea time Thursday at 3 p.m. with Darlene. She's going to talk about Back to Zero. Yay! So we're all showing up.
Yay!
And si Ate Ai, naapod siya, do you have a webinar, Ate Ai?
Yes, please share your webinars.
Do you have activities?
Asa
Okay, so wala pa si Ate Ai. We're going to have, oh yes,
Nag-schedule
she's
pa.
there. She's
Every
back
Sundays.
from outer
Oh, I'm
space.
here. I'm here. Every Sunday, collective meditation on online healing community, Facebook. Tsaka may din, live interviews Tuesdays at 4:30. And invite din namin kayo. Yee!
Yay!
Ano pa ba? Ano pa?
Angel Vibes with Mother P at 8 o'clock p.m. every Sunday
if you want
sa Facebook and Instagram.
And ano pa ba? EA.
Yes, Emotions Anonymous with Tita Jenny. Tita Jenny, are you there?
Yes, wait lang. Yes, but every Saturday, 5 p.m. for those or their loved ones who want to know tools how to cope with emotional stress, or just wanted to be emotionally well, or maybe you have a Saturday that you just want to be for people to listen to your woes for your what you're feeling, because we believe that as a spirit living in this physical body, we need to address our emotions as well and put it into life so that later on we will go spiritually and back to the source. That's it.
There's also ASIM, di ba, every Tuesday?
Yes, Tuesday. Asim PH group chat, and they might be changing the schedule depending on if we can do physical Asim na.
Okay.
Yeah.
At Goat's Eye.
Yeah. Yeah, hindi pa daw ngayon. So, ibang day
Alright.
na available. So, there's a lot of things going on. So, if you're still feeling stuck,
Meron pa
you're still
pala.
feeling stuck.
Meron pa pala. Get your happy unicorn every Wednesday. You message us for the link if you
Yes,
want to
and
join.
Sisterhood of the Rose, 2 p.m.
Yes, and Sisterhood of the Rose if you want to join every Wednesday at 2 p.m. We are not that busy.
Hindi kami masyado.
And DXN every day. DXN Service Center, Legazpi Street, Davao City.
For Sundays.
Saturdays.
Yeah. Kung gusto ninyo
And
makita
Sunya
ang
Sundays at
ang
2:30 p.m.
si Arian.
Yes, Queen
Queen.
Arian of Legazpi.
Zay imong durian og imong unsa to?
Mango
Oh,
Royal.
yes. Sweet
Surrender.
surrender with me. Just message me Thursday ang delivery. Okay, palit na mo og ang chili sauce ni Baby Boy. Usa pa mga crystals na mo ni Tina.
Yes,
Og
service
wala
center
mi
ni
naman
Ay
yung lucky, pero
Bilueta.
yes. Og kay
So
Aisha
many
na mga
Daghan kayo may
daghan mi og ginabaligya, guys. I-message lang mi, i-remember ning mga naunga ning naa diri sa Zoom, diri sa Facebook, mga case mga negosyante diri sa mga unicorn. Si Tina
So in all,
leader.
in all Facebook pages, daghan kayo may Facebook pages, and matingala lang mo, hala sila gyapon, sila sa Mystic Angel, sila sa kami lang po, di ba? So that's why we're inviting a lot of people to join. Next time,
My request si Aya and I.
rotational, so we can create more, we can do more.
Si Miss Ayu may request siya, and
Thank you.
I. Thank you.
Request.
Ayun, hindi kasi na-remember na I thank you ba. Also, si Ate Bam, na sila yung kanina padula katong sa Sophia soap.
Oo, Sophia.
Sophia Beauty Product. So, Yes, raffle or basta contest, just follow Lady Bam nya naa siya gi-post dito nga mga mechanics. So mag-join kita para makadaog ta kay manghatag sila kwarta. Kisa may dili ganahang kwarta, guys. Money come, money
Crash
come.
landing on you.
Yes,
So,
cash
cash
landing on us. How does it get better than that? So mag-good night na siguro ta.
Yes,
Kay nagkrayola
mag-good
na
night.
ako ang
11 na sa gabi.
niknaksu.
Si Maggie is sleeping. Ay, can we have a
Yes.
reading with Dwayne? Just one card from Dwayne. I know Dwayne
Okay.
wanted
Tawagon sana ako ang sweetheart. Wait lang.
Okay. So Dwayne, I will give a one card reading for all. General na siya. It's a general card spirit animal reading. So what's our animal reading for the night by our special card reader na si Dwayne? How did we get so lucky? And not
By the way, soon MA will be showing you our first travel vlog.
Wow.
MA,
Oh.
yeah, MA.
Wow. So we'll do a premiere on that, right?
Wow.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, Dwayne.
Hello, Dwayne. Please give us some reading. Our dragon from Decca.
So, message for everyone. This is the message for everyone.
Great. Meron Chinese na po na mga ano.
What's the message?
Parang si Dr. Lim na si Dwayne, no?
Oh.
And your message for today is believe in Pro. It's from the Pro.
Believe.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow, believe in the magic. Wow, what else is possible?
How does it get any better than this? Hello.
Thanks,
Magical
Dwayne.
Thank you, Dwayne, for that reading. It's an affirmation of how magical we all are. You know, we all have that, capacity when it comes to magic and the possibilities that one can contribute to. So the crow, believe in the magic. So maybe Mama Zai, kasi we are honoring the unicorns today whenever we do the Midnight Unicorn Club, diba? So tama, sabi ni Ate Ai, we are unicorns and dragons are filled with magic.
Yes, exactly. So, and unicorn means use your imagination.
Cute.
Oh,
So,
wow, cute, Ate Unicorn. That's so
Yeah.
cute. Thank you, Dwayne.
welcome. So, maota.
Thank you,
Thank you for the
Dwayne.
gift that you are. Thank you for your contribution, Dwayne. That's so sweet. So Dwayne, by the
So,
way, is
yeah.
our Bob.
Yes,
Dragon
kaya
will
yan.
run stars for you.
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
So yeah,
Oh,
thank you for that reading. I think we're
Yeah.
hello, yeah. So I think we shall go. We shall
Yes,
go.
we will go.
It's time for the unicorns to be in bed and neigh.
Yeah, so that
Do
the
we neigh
unicorns will
magically?
become panda.
And so yeah, thank you so much for this evening and Midnight Unicorn Club na naging panda na tomorrow, maging pandas tomorrow, and foxes minsan. Unsa na, grabe ang katawa sa duha dira ba? Anong mga joke yan na hindi ko na-gets kasi I am breaking out.
Yeah, you are. Okay.
Good
So,
night, everybody. Thank you to all those who watch us and who will be watching the replay. So please share this so that they can get mga tools. Share, Shifu. See ya. Bye all.
Good
Share,
night.
share,